if I got a certification, is it possible to edit my name afterwards? It is possible, but you have to be like, you have to do it in the right way. So how to do that? Of course, if any of you went to his own profile, he'll notice that he can edit any of his details, but not his name. That's because the name can only be edited twice. Well, not edited, it can be set twice. Once when you make the account at the very first time, and the second, no, it's not one time, but the second way is to contact the certification team and tell them, hey guys, I want to change my name from this to that, and they have to review your application and see whether you are asking for something that's okay or not. So for example, I actually changed my name on my certifications before. It was a shorter name than this, but I just wanted to add a couple of more letters in it, so it became Yahya Kadr on my certifications. So that's okay if I'm adding. So for example, if I want to change it to Yahya Kadr, which is my middle name, it's okay too. But if I'm called Yahya and I want to change it to Prasad, of course that's not available, right? So so yeah, you can do it. You can send an email to certification@solidworks.com. That's the certification team's email, and they can help you with it.